नमस्ते, हर हर महादेव। महाशिवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं सबके लिए। There's an interesting development in West Bengal where 7 officials of West Bengal have been suspended by the Election Commission of India who were working as assistant electoral registration officers. And I have observed certain very interesting things regarding this. The places where the AROs have been suspended are all border adjacent places, except one, except Debra Assembly constituency of Paschim Medinipur. All the other places where the AROs have been suspended are located either absolutely on the border or absolutely adjacent to the border. For example, the Dalia Roy Chaudhary, ARO Dalia Roy Chaudhary Women Development Block and Women Development Office, Mainaguri. This Mainaguri is Assembly Constituency number 16, which is located just behind Jalpaiguri and Raiganj. While Jalpaiguri and Raiganj are located absolutely on the border, and just beside Jalpaiguri and Raiganj, it is Panchgod 1, Assembly Constituency Panchgod 1 of Bangladesh, which has been won by Bangladesh Nationalist Party. It is just behind Jalpaiguri and Raiganj. It is Mainaguri. So when we also look at the other places where the AROs have been suspended, Shamsherganj and Shruti, both Shamsherganj and Shruti are absolutely on the border. Assembly constituency number 56 and number 57, they're absolutely on the border. And on the other side of Shruti and Shamsherganj, it is Bangladesh Assembly constituency number 43, Chapai Nawabganj, which seat has been won by Jamaat-e-Islami, the radical Islamic outfit. It has been won. And Farakka too, it has been the ARO of Farakka too has been suspended, and Farakka is again just adjacent, just behind Shamsherganj and Shruti. It is not on the border. While Shamsherganj and Shruti are on the border, Farakka is just adjacent to the border. And from here we can see a very interesting phenomenon. You can see that, like, since the Bangladesh border, we have seen the West Bengal Bangladesh border, a large number of seats, almost all, a complete band of seats have been won by Jamaat-e-Islami. We can assume that the Jamaat forces are from Bangladesh, deep within Bangladesh. They are coming onto the they are coming and flocking onto the border, and from the border they are spilling out into Indian territory. And now, after capturing the bordering districts of West Bengal, they are pushing inside. This is the symptoms and phenomenon, as the malpractices were being done by the ARO of Mainaguri. Mainaguri is adjacent to the border and not on the borders. Jalpaiguri and Raiganj are on the border. Mainaguri is just behind the border, behind this, adjacent to the border. So maybe these people, the infiltrators, are entering and then pushing inside through the, after capturing the bordering constituencies. They are now pushing inside. When we saw Khoghen Murmu, an MP, West Bengal MP Khoghen Murmu, got attacked in Nagrakata. Nagrakata was also a location, similar location, which is away from away from the border, like more than 50 kilometers away from, a little bit more than 50 kilometers away from the border. So that 50 kilometers is the jurisdiction of the BSF. So the infiltrators are trying to enter and then just move inside, crossing the BSF's jurisdiction. We can also link these facts with the recent statement of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, where she said that recently regarding like when the Calcutta High Court ordered the government of West Bengal to like render the land, like submit the land, like give the land acquisition land for the required land acquisition and hand over to the central government for fencing the West Bengal Bangladesh border. Mamata Banerjee made a statement that land will not be a problem, so the government of India has to roll back their 50 kilometers jurisdiction for the BSF. let them get back to their 15 kilometers jurisdiction as earlier, then land would not be a problem. So this also we can connect the dots here. The infiltrators are being pushed inside the, and that is why Mainaguri, and that is why Farakka also. So these are the places which we can see a phenomenon. And Canning Purbo, if you look at Canning Purbo, then we can see that this is the, if you look at the map, then this is the thick line is the Bangladesh, West Bengal Bangladesh border, and this is Canning Purbo, which is absolutely near the border, and this is the deltaic region of South 24 Parganas. It is highly supplied with many rivulets and creeks, so it is also a border constituency where also the AERO has been suspended. And Debra is the only constituency where the AERO has been suspended, but it is not a like a border constituency where, but the Debra, the MLA of Debra is Humayun Kabir, the other Humayun Kabir, not this Babri Masjid wala Humayun Kabir. There are two Humayun Kabirs in West Bengal as MLAs. One is the Babri Masjid wala and the other one is the Debra MLA. So Debra's MLA is also, he's also an aggressive fella, and he also made many controversial statements in the recent past. And we can see a typical pattern that the Jamaat adjacent assembly constituencies, the AEROs have been suspended. So we can understand, we can try to like pick up a hunch of the phenomenon that are going there. So we expect the Election Commission of India would do their job properly, because West Bengal is the most vulnerable district as far as infiltration is concerned. And ever since 1971 till today, a lot of infiltrators have entered Bharat through West Bengal, and a large number of them are West Bengal voters. So we expect that these people should lose their, if their names were featuring in the voters list, their names must go, their names must go, because the people of other country cannot vote in our country, and that too in our state, and changing the demography and culture and everything. It's also cultural invasion, and especially right now when Jamaat has won so many seats, it is absolutely very it's a great concern for all of us, because we cannot let the Bengalis, the culture of Bengal change. So we request the Election Commission of India to do their jobs. Maybe whatever is required is to do to stop the infiltrators feature in the voters list. Election Commission must do everything possible. Thank you very much.